this course. Tuples are similar to lists as they are sequences, but unlike lists, they are immutable. That means that tuples cannot be modified once they've been created. So to create a tuple, let's do tup equals parentheses. We use normal parentheses for tuples. So now let's populate our tuple with grocery items. So let's say tup equals parentheses oranges, comma apples, comma bananas. And there, now we can print it to check. So now, like I said, tuples cannot be changed. So if I want to say that tup 0, or like if I index the first term, I can do tup 0, or the first value of the tuple should become cherries. If I try to do that, tup 0 equals cherries, it will give me an error. However, although we can't change tuples, we can still access specific values in a tuple. So instead of changing tup 0, I can access it by simply typing tup 0 and then entering it if we're in the console, or printing it if we aren't in the console. So everything we can do to list, we can do to a tuple, except we can't change or update a tuple. However, we can still add tuples. For example, we can create a new tuple by making it tup 2 equals 12, 14, and then we can do tup 3, and we can also make tup 3, which we can make equal to tup plus tup 2. So tup 3 equals tup plus tup 2, and then you can delete an entire tuple, but not just one portion of it. So to do this, you would just do delete tuple. Let's say we want to delete tuple 3, so we can just do delete tup 3, which is del tup 3, and that removes tup 3 from our code. Again, we can call the len function or length function, and you just type the len. So we can call the length function to see how many times we have, how many items we have inside our tuple. So we can just do len parentheses tup to get 3, because that signifies that we have 3 items in our tuple. And we can also do tup times 3 to get apples, apples, apples being repeated 3 times. And yeah, that's basically it for tuples. Just make sure that you understand that tuples are immutable, and you should be good to go other than that.